And hello everyone, welcome to Renovation Diaries. This is our kitchen under construction. We haven't been able to move forward. We're waiting for cabinets. And in our previous video, I showed you the before and after of our powder room. So in this video, I am going to focus on other things, something that we need, the furniture.
Uri designs, unique expressions.
Have you ever assembled furniture? My friend Anita, she sent me this text and she was very overwhelmed when she saw the amount of screws, and I told her it's not gonna be hard, I can promise you that. She sent me a copy of the instructions and I assured her that it was not going to be hard at all, and I'm so glad that she moved forward with the help of her husband. She put it together. She got these two side tables and this coffee table at Wayfair. And look how beautiful she decorated them. I think it's not hard to assemble furniture. So my question to you is, have you ever assembled furniture? Especially from IKEA? I think IKEA has a little bit of bad reputation. People say that their furnitures are hard to put together, and I'm going to say that I don't think it's true, because they really give you good instructions, and my husband and I, better known as Amore, were able to put 6 chairs together in a very reasonable time. After understanding the instructions, we put all the screws together to make sure that we had everything we needed, and then we move forward with the instructions step by step. They number them, they give you the images so you can follow the instructions one by one. I think this was the hardest part, to align them, and Amore helped me to start it, and then I got the hang of it. As I mentioned before, we assembled 6 chairs, 3 each. And to give a protection to these chairs, my plan is to stain them. I'm going to test the stain colors first and see which color I like the best for this family room. And that will be in a later video. And voila! Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to continue watching this Renovation Diaries series or any content like this. Until later, goodbye.